Welcome to another Birchbox unboxing. I know this is late and it's the 19th of May when I'm filming this, so it's gonna be later than that when it's posted, but I still quite enjoy unboxing these things. And if you're more interested in kind of like a review about the products themselves, this is not the clip for you. It's just me unboxing the boxes, and kind of like see how surprised I am, how happy I am, because you pay 12 pounds, 12.50 or something like that. So yeah, I mean, I quite enjoy watching people unboxing them and kind of like have like a first impression of how the product look like and how like popular they are, what kind of popular products you get in there, or if you get some not that known brands. I quite enjoy that. But I do actually post, and I used to say a month later, which if you're here since when I started posting these ones, you know that's not happening. I'm actually behind with 2 boxes just because it took me a while with some products, like skincare wise, to test them out and make sure I'm having my thoughts, you know, well set. So yeah, if you're interested in those kind of clips, definitely subscribe, because I'm bringing them in, and hit that bell notification button, just because I do upload on Thursdays, but if I do have time I upload in other days too, and I don't have like a specific day when I post this kind of content. So it's like when I film something I edit and it's good to go online. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump in and see what I got in this month's box. Last time I said I'm sick and tired of shredded paper, and I also got some around. But yeah, let's see what I got inside and stop complaining about shredded paper that I can actually recycle. I don't see the point of it. It's cute though, I get it. But yeah, it's just I got too much so far. The reality is the box itself, like the pattern and how it looks like, I saw it on Instagram yet again. I've had this kind of like issue, which is not that, like, it's not the end of the world, but I quite like seeing it in person, and I like seeing it beforehand, but because I'm following them, obviously I saw it by mistake. It's just popped onto my newsfeed. So yeah, it's quite cute. I love butterflies, not gonna lie, and I think it works really well with my shirt, sleeveless, off the shoulders, you name it. This time I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Usually sometimes they just send 6 products, but maybe one of them is really tiny, so they kind of like compensate the fact that that's extremely tiny and they give you another one. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and let's see. I definitely can sense this is for hair. This is the Phil Kingsley Elasticizer. So this is a conditioner. Yeah, it's a pre-shampoo treatment, so that means I put it before shampooing my hair. Yeah, that's actually true. Wet hair and apply in sections. Fair enough. So okay, it's like cover with a plastic cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. I'm not quite sure what it's supposed to do. Adds elasticity, manageability, which I learned this word with this Birchbox, because apparently most of the products for hair use that word. I have no idea why. Bounce and shine. I've used a shampoo from this brand already. It was quite good, but I did not have the kind of like problematic thing for hair that it was supposed to work on, if that makes sense what I'm trying to explain. I feel I forgot how to talk. But yeah, decent size. The shampoo I got, it was quite small. Thank God this is quite decent. I'm not quite sure if it's a full size, so let's see. It doesn't say. I got this Mimetica Creme Solaire Visage Face Sunscreen. I think this is quite cute, although I actually got myself a sunscreen recently. Oh, it smells really nice. It definitely does not smell like, you know, those kinds of like sunscreen basic. This is quite nice actually. Obviously it goes with the weather because it's sunny, it's sunnier. This is quite good actually. I'm definitely gonna make some use out of it, but this is definitely not a full size. they only say the full size retailing for £17, which is quite a lot, but you know, I guess if it's not gonna feel like a actual sunscreen, which sometimes creams that have a lot of sunscreen do, that's quite good actually, but we'll see about that when I'm starting using it. Next, I'm gonna talk about this because I already knew I'm gonna get it. Is the Lord Berry lip liner. I actually choose this because you do get one product, like two products, and you choose in between. Usually it's the same kind of thing. It was like this month was a lip liner and an eyeliner. I don't genuinely use this kind of like liners anymore around my eyes, so obviously I went for the lip liner. I mean, let's see. Ooh, that's quite intense actually, and it's definitely very smooth. Like I barely even touched the pencil to my hand, so you know, this is, I did press a bit harder in here than there, but again, it's pigmented, it's nice. Obviously I'll have to see if I do actually have a lipstick that works with that shade, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna figure it out, so yeah. And I think this was quite quick because I only have 2 more products, so yeah. This is, I'm gonna start with this. That was interesting. I'm saying so. Yeah. This is the Arrow Boost lip balm. It definitely smells nice. I have no idea what it smells of. Very busy, it's called, but I'm not quite sure if it's actually having berries in it, but it smells quite like menthol, sort of. Yeah, it definitely, I think it's going to be definitely cooling, but at the same time it says on it color enhancing lip balm, so I'm curious if it actually gives you any kind of color or if it changes a bit, so I'm just gonna swipe it. Oh yeah, it definitely gives you like a, do you see it? It's just a tiny bit pinky. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's just slightly pink, so I think that's gonna work really nice with my natural lip color. So it's definitely not something like my other lip balms, so I'm not mad. I have to try this one on because it's pretty nice. And last but not least is an actually tiny mascara from the brand Botanic, I guess. Botanic? Got no clue. I'm never mad at like having tiny mascaras because they are really nice for traveling, or if you just want to have some quick fix on the go. So this is it. It's quite tiny. I like the packaging, and let's see how the wand looks like. Oh, it's quite big actually. I thought it's going to be like very small and like half of it. I really like nowadays when it comes to tiny mascaras, they still put like the actual wand you'll get in your full size, because that's why I assume it's this big. It smells like mascara. I have no idea why I smell that. It's a nourishing mascara. What is supposed to nourish mine? Volumizing and lengthening mascara, enriched with almond oil and chamomile oil. That's quite actually nice. If that's gonna do something to my lashes, I'll not be annoyed because my lashes are quite tiny, so maybe it will do something. I have no idea. I did not expect it to be this quick. I only got like free, I mean, I always get like free, I mean, to be honest, I will classify this as a skincare rather than like beauty. So I would literally go on to say I only got 2 makeup bits. I'm not mad, but then again, I'm not very excited because it's just a mascara and a lip liner. I don't actually use that much lip liner, so we'll see how I feel about this one. And obviously, I would actually classify the lip balm and the rest of like skincare, hair care. I always get like this kind of like conditioners. So yeah, I mean, so far so good. I don't have anything much to say, to be honest, because it was quite short. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this clip and it was useful and relevant in some kind of way. I will see you, hopefully, in the next one. Bye.